Okie dokie. Oh, boys, do we have a trade today? All right, let's start with this breakdown. Uh, we got here 4 hour time frame. We can see we're in obvious downtrend. I think this was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday price just like sold off like crazy. I didn't get in any trades around here. I was just kind of watching price see because I was waiting for like a retracement and like neither of these. This was at 5 a.m. So actually this was at 9 a.m. But this retracement right here personally wasn't enough for me. Neither was this one. Like if we go on the 1 hour time frame, like it was a retracement, something small into a drop into another retracement. Like both pretty decent entries, honestly. Like if you're going from a standpoint of this resistance zone we had right here, price bounced off of and then dropped. You could enter again right here if you're short. You would have made a fuck ton of money. But I wanted to see like a retracement that's big like this, you know what I'm saying? Because then that kind of like solidifies for me that we're gonna get a pretty decent move, you know? I was targeting these lows right here. Price has been consolidating since like 11. It is Friday, so that's probably why. On a different day, we probably would have had more volume to reach down there, but nonetheless, we had a good trade. So yeah, pretty much we had this retracement the night before, and then we had 9 a.m. candle right here, which is what started the move. I actually entered around like 8:30 or something like that on this candle on the 15-minute time frame here. I had these two zones marked out where price kind of consolidated a little bit before it broke down. So I was first expecting price to react off of these zones and then shoot down immediately. So this is what I thought the retracement was going to look like. We move up to here. I got to turn this off. We move up to this zone and then we shoot down. Or we move up to this zone and we shoot down, which is what happened. So price came up, tapped off of this zone, shot down a little bit, tapped off of this zone again. Once we got this second rejection right here, that's when I was pretty confident in sells. And I was just waiting for another retracement either to this first zone that I had marked out or the second one. As you can see, price came, retraced to this zone, gave us a little rejection, went down to the 5 minute time frame, rejected, came back. And as soon as I seen it bounce off of this EMA right here, I entered on this candle close, stop loss above this high, targeting our last low here, which was at 9 a.m. yesterday. And we haven't gotten there yet, but nonetheless, we got a. Actually, let me check. Yeah, it actually just took me out of the trade there at my stop loss. So I had my stop loss right about here. So we got a W 1 to 4.5, pretty much 1 to 4.5. So it's a pretty decent trade. I could have closed down here, but I was just kind of holding, trying to wait and see if price would drop a little lower because I do expect it to drop lower. Like either the rest of the day price is gonna drop a little lower, or it's gonna keep consolidating here and we're gonna drop lower like Sunday evening market open some shit. But we're not gonna be trading now. We're gonna wait till Monday morning, obviously. But all in all, pretty decent trade. We made a total of $200 today. It's all on live accounts, by the way. I'm a small trader. I don't got big fish capital. So this little 200 bucks, that's something real nice. Uh, yeah. Can't really say there's anything wrong with this trade. I feel like I took a pretty good entry. I was good with my risk to reward ratio. I kept my stop loss in good places. I closed partials about like halfway here. I think when price like broke below this box right here, that's where I closed partials at. Took off half of the trade and then moved my stop loss to break even. And then just kept trailing my stop loss as price went down. And yeah, that's pretty much all we have to say here. Hope you guys were able to catch a good trade today too. And see you next week.